Here are 20 Elementor keyboard shortcuts you probably didn't even know existed. You know those shortcuts where it feels like you're playing Twister on your keyboard, but once they're in your muscle memory, you suddenly work way faster. I use Elementor for every website I build, and I didn't even know some of these existed. I'll break them down into 3 groups: actions, panels, and navigation. Subscribe for Elementor tutorials. Let's dive in. First group, actions. So I know that most of you probably already know that you can use actions like undo, redo, copy, and paste inside the Elementor editor. Did you also know that you can paste a section, column, or widget style with Command plus Shift plus V, like this? So instead of right-clicking, copying, right-clicking again, and pasting a style, just use the shortcut. Done. And let's say you want to have more than one of these blocks here. Instead of right-clicking it, copying it, moving your mouse, right-clicking, and pasting it, you can just press Command plus D to duplicate a section, column, or widget. You just have to grab it with your mouse first, or select it via the navigator, or structure like Elementor calls it now. And if you didn't activate autosave already, typing Command plus S saves your page to the revision history. I hit it way more often than I need to. Second group, panels. I had no idea that Elementor had a finder tool for way too long. You open this up with Command plus E and can literally search your whole WordPress website. You can search for pages, open the pop-up builder, quick access your WordPress menus, and many more. You can either search for a specific page or post, or just type space and open the Finder dropdown. Super useful. Next one, Command plus P to hide or open the side panel. Really cool. And now, let's say you want to access site settings. Just hit Command plus K. Really useful. Or you want to open the navigator, Command plus I opens the structure window. This is a time saver for sure. Now, let's say you've done some editing, like put a title and a short paragraph, but then don't like it anymore and want to go back in history. Command plus Shift plus H opens the history panel so you can revert to an earlier version of your website. Really cool. And if you're like me and always want to change the bright Elementor light mode to dark mode as fast as possible, Command plus Shift plus U does the job. Quickest way to change your display mode. Third group, Go To. These shortcuts are all about navigation. Let's say you want to switch through the responsive modes. Command plus Shift plus M lets you do that. Super useful. Now, instead of searching for the folder icon somewhere and having to scroll a lot, just hit Command plus Shift plus L to open the template library. This one's really cool. And then, I bet a lot of you don't know this Elementor feature even exists. Shift plus C opens the Notes panel. With that, you can either write some to-do notes for yourself or communicate with customers or whatnot directly inside of Elementor. I will be using this feature more often because, honestly, it's a time saver. And when you're done editing or want to close a pop-up window, just hit Escape. Okay, now you know that instead of grabbing your mouse, move the cursor all the way to the top left corner of your screen, clicking on the Elementor logo, scrolling down, and then having to click again here, just press Shift plus question mark on your keyboard to open the shortcuts overview. Now watch this video here where I show you 5 Elementor tricks you wish you knew sooner to work faster.